weeks since Rahul Gandhi and Tejasvi Yadav launched the Voter Adhikar Yatra in Bihar, taking a stand against the ongoing SIR exercise conducted by the poll body. Now, ahead of the assembly elections this year, top leaders of the opposition bloc are also expected to join the march. As far as when it comes to a show of strength that is likely to be witnessed, leaders like Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is expected to participate along with Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, thereafter followed by Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav, and thereafter next month would be Hemant Soren, the Chief Minister of Jharkhand, Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy, Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Sukhvinder Singh Sikhu are also expected and participate in the Yatra. But these are the details that are now coming in as far as the 16-year Yatra that has been undertaken on part of Rahul Gandhi, who seems to be spearheading the vote chori narrative as the poll blank. This seems to be taking place when it comes to Rahul Gandhi himself, who had met the Makhana farmers in their farms in Katihar during this ongoing 60-day Yatra, which aims to raise awareness about the alleged irregularities in the voter list, which the opposition leaders have termed it as a case of vote chori. And now covering about 1,300 kilometers spread across 20 districts, the Yatra is expected to conclude in Patna. But as far as when it comes to the RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav as well, who's been seen accompanying Rahul Gandhi in the Voter Adhikar Yatra, he has been saying that the upcoming elections would be the last for Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, expressing confidence that Nitish Kumar will not return as the Chief Minister again. Let's get in a word from Sabyasachi now, who's connected with us. Sabyasachi, good morning. When it comes to such kind of allegations that have been leveled over the vote chori narrative, that only seems to be getting bigger and seems to be intensifying, with multiple leaders now expected to participate from the opposition bloc.
Well, that's right. See, the Vote Adhikar Yatra, which has been conducted by Mr. Rahul Gandhi, continuous support is being seen from the opposition side, because as far as a special intensive revision of voter list is concerned, which is being conducted in the state of Bihar, that has brought all the like-minded parties in the opposition together, and we had seen the continuous support that the Congress party and Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been getting for this Yatra. Now, in the coming days, several leaders of the India bloc, right from Uddhav Thackeray to Akhilesh Yadav, all of them have extended their support, and one by one they will be joining Mr. Rahul Gandhi in his Yatra. Now, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has very categorically emphasized that this Yatra is to reach out to the people in the state of Bihar, to tell them about the vote chori that is been happening in the state of Bihar, and how the BJP time and again is targeting the other backward class, the STs and the minorities in the state of Bihar. And the opposition is of the view that it is not a state-related issue, but rather it is a national problem, and that is the reason why all the like-minded parties of the opposition have to come together to fight this.
All right, please do stay on with us, Sabyasachi. Even as we speak, when it comes to the leaders there of the Mahagathbandhan in Bihar, here is Tejasvi Yadav, who seems to be taking a jab at the Prime Minister, pointing out to the multiple FIRs that has been filed against them. He stays defiant and says that he's not afraid.
और मोदी जी, आपने तेजस्वी पर FIR करवाया, किस बात पे FIR हुआ? एक यूपी में FIR हुआ, एक FIR महाराष्ट्र में हुआ। जहां इनकी सरकार है, वहां तेजस्वी पर FIR किया इन लोगों ने। आप बताओ क्या कारण था? कारण यही था कि मोदी जी को तेजस्वी ने बोला कि ये जुमले की बाजार, यानी जुमलों की बारिश करने बिहार आ रहे हैं। जुमले का दुकान बोल दिया, जो कि सच है कि नहीं है। हम पे अगर FIR हुआ है तो हम लोग डरने वाले नहीं।
The Congress, however, has come out in defense of Rahul Gandhi, saying that the Yatra is against the EC and the alleged malpractices that is meant to raise awareness amongst the people that have now been taken to the streets to protect democracy.
बिहार में जो चल रही है पूरे देश की जनता को जागृत करने के लिए, और जिस प्रकार के संवैधानिक संस्था हमारा चुनाव आयोग पूर्ण पक्षपात शुरुआती रूप से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एक अग्रिम संगठन के रूप में जो कार्य कर रहा है उसके विरोध में और ये यात्रा निकली है। जिस प्रकार से लोकतंत्र में संविधान का सम्मान करते हुए जिन संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को जिम्मेदारी दी गई है कि लोगों के विश्वास को, लोगों के मतों को सही रूप में सरकार चुनने का मौका दिया जाए, लेकिन इस प्रकार की चोरी करते हुए जहां जहां भी सरकार इन लोगों ने बनाई है और जहां गैर भाजपाई सरकार है उन सरकारों को भी गिराने के लिए, उन्हें उन सरकार की चोरी करने के लिए, डाका डालने के लिए इस प्रकार के ये विधेयक भी जो लाए हुए हैं ये बहुत ही डरावने और मुझे लगता है कि गैर संवैधानिक है।
Well, as the vote chori narrative seems to be building and intensifying right from Bijli chori